I shouldn't have come here. I know these places are my biggest fear. I should have known better than to try to fit. Fading into the dark and hoping that a feeling would spark and save me from this room that's caving in. Myself aside, captivated by all the lights. My mind is in the stars, and my feet down here. Wiping my eyes, see faces I don't recognize. Surrounded yet still we feel left alone. Why doesn't joy just fill my fate? Why it's too much for me. I want to escape. Nothing is making sense. They're dancing free while I'm feeling tense. It takes my energy. Just take me away. Myself